Alright guys, one of the vehicles that we recently got finished is, this is a 2010 Subaru Tribeca. This vehicle was basically abandoned here for a while. Then the customer did not want to fix it. Then he turned around and sold us the vehicle. It needed like a $4,000 engine and it was knocking. The guy never did the services. So we actually ordered a new Subaru engine for it. Not new, it had like 100,000 miles on it when we ordered it. So when we were putting everything back together, we literally went in, did gaskets, anything that was broke, anything that needed to go back together, we did while we were putting it all back together. Got all fresh fluids and stuff like that, new power steering fluid, new coolant, new oil, new brake fluid, everything got done while we were in here. And this engine has about 100,000 on it. The updates were done. I went through plugs, all that stuff got done. The AC is ice cold in this thing, and all the windows work, the sunroof works, the sunshade works, a backup camera works, everything is functional in here. It even has the original Subaru DVD for the navigation system, that's in here. All the doors work, all the lights, the locks work. There's nothing that is not functional for the most part on this. The tires are newer. These are, what are these called? These are Cross Contact LX25 from Continental. And you know, they've got about 10-30 seconds. They're newer. They're not new, but they're newer. They're really good tires. Same with the back here. Newer tires. Everything works. Every single thing in the car works. There's nothing that doesn't work in the vehicle that I'm aware of so far. Brakes and everything are good. Suspension's good. This is something that the old owner had left in the vehicle. I'll throw it in with the vehicle if somebody wants it. But we're looking for 7 is where we're at right now. About 7 grand is, we've got the price of the vehicle, buying it, $3,000 for the engine, the labor installing it, and all the fluids and stuff. We got to make some kind of profit off of it. My bottom dollar is 7. If somebody will come up with 7,000 for this, this is yours. It's all-wheel drive unit was serviced. It's got this here in the seat. And both of these sides right here on these Tribecas, it's common for these right here in this corner on both of these. So you'll have to figure out a way to take care of that yourself. We don't want to dig into it and make it worse. But this is the remote for the DVD player. It all works with the remote. Everything still functions. Rear fan controls. It works. So if somebody's looking for a reliable SUV, so basically, customer sold us the vehicle, we turn around, we put the money back into the vehicle, we fix the vehicle. The engine for this, let's go out here real quick. Show you the old engine that came out of it. I think we still got it. If we don't have it, yeah, here's the old engine right here. So I got new engine, new intake manifold, new gaskets, new everything. Everything got installed and updated whenever we did everything, when we put it back together. Yeah, so for the most part, that's what we're looking for. If somebody's looking for a reliable vehicle, just got serviced, fresh, everything. It's good to go, it's hot to trot, ready to rock. That would be this one right here. That's all we know. We know it's good, we know it's reliable, and we know it's worth at least 7 grand. So we got to get at least 7 grand out of it. Somebody wants it, somebody wants to come pick it up, give me 7 grand, you walk away with it. Y'all be blessed. Thank you.